tires up. Get it out. And that's one of the big piles I just pushed over there. We got that whole pile pushed over there. Most up there. Alright, let me get back to it. Got a pile of leads need to get gone. Give us a call, 770-899-7432. And we're on our way. Alright, y'all. We are at a customer's house today. And got to get this yard cleaned up. Get these leaves done. They just bought the house. It ain't been cleaned up in a while. So we're gonna clean it up and get it looking decent. So I'm not gonna have my camera out because I forgot to bring my tripod. But this is what it looks like now. And I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, we got it all done, y'all. So y'all got to see the before. These are the leaves. No more leaves. Everything's gone. Oh yeah, the bird's happy now, man. They can get the worms. They can get the worms now. All right, y'all. Happy customer. We hit it to you next. Can't stop.